want to wake up at 14, realizing you sold your best years for a salary. Most people wait. They wait for a raise. They wait for the right time. They wait for permission. And suddenly, they are 13.5. If you're under 13, this is your advantage window. And if you use it right, you can build financial independence before most people even understand money. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Redefine financial independence. Financial independence doesn't mean being a millionaire. It means your assets pay your expenses. If your monthly expenses are $115 and your investment generates $115, you're free. The formula is simple: freedom, assets, lifestyle. Most people focus on income. Smart people focus on ownership. 2. Increase income aggressively in your 20s. Your 20s are not for comfort, they are for acceleration. Don't focus only on saving, focus on earning more. Learn high income skills: sales, coding, content creation, digital marketing. Your goal: double your income before you double your lifestyle, because lifestyle inflation is the silent killer of freedom. 3. Control expenses without living miserably. Freedom isn't about extreme sacrifice, it's about intentional spending. Ask yourself, does this expense bring real value, or is it ego? Cut subscription, avoid debt, delay expensive upgrades. Every dollar saved is a solitaire working for your future. 4. Invest early. Invest consistently. Time is your biggest weapon. If you invest $500 per month at 20s, it's not the same as starting at 13. Compound growth rewards speed. You don't need to gamble. You need discipline. And is found long-term assets, cash flow investment. Consistency beats intensity. 5. Build assets that work while you sleep. There are only two paths: active income or averaged income. Build digital product, YouTube channel, online business, retail income. One asset can change your entire trajectory. 6. Avoid these three mistakes before 13s. Trying to look rich, taking interest debt, waiting for motivation. Freedom is built quietly. Will other party every weekend? You build system. Will other upgrade the phones? You upgrade assets. 7. The 5 years freedom plan. Year 1. Increase income skill. Year 2. Eliminate bad debt. Year 3. Build first scalable assets. Year 4. Invest 13 or 15% income. Year 5. Asset cover 15 or 100% expenses. It's not magic, it's maths plus discipline. Financial independence before 13s isn't about money, it's about options. The option to quit, the option to travel, The option to choose. Start now, because 13th is coming, whether you prepare or not. If this changed your perspective, share it with someone who still thinks freedom starts at 16.